to the channel real quick. I want to talk about transmission decision making. What you should do, or which decision you should make in the event you take your car into the shop and you get an estimate saying your transmission have internal problem. Now, at that point, you have a major decision to make. Should you simply replace the transmission? And what I mean by simply do that is that it is the simplest process, meaning they just take it out and go back in with a new one, as opposed to repairing it. Now, granted, on a repair estimate, you're gonna get a bigger estimate probably than you would replacing it. And that's what I want to talk to you about. Okay, y'all see this transmission? This is a 41 TE, formerly known as a A604. All right, and this is actually going in that minivan right there. That's an 07 minivan. Okay, now, again, this is a brand new Reman transmission, which means it came from the Chrysler Reman Factory Group. But what I want to talk to you about, during your decision-making process, I need you to factor in, this transmission now comes with a 3-year, get this, 100,000 mile warranty. That's right, man. 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty. Now, granted, you probably exceed the 3 years before you exceed the 100,000 miles on the warranty, unless you're driving 35,000 miles a year. But that is extremely worth it. Okay. Now, it depends on, I said you may get a more expensive estimate on the repair process. It depends on the shop and what kind of estimate they write up. Most shops on a rebuilding process is going to write up everything. They're going to try to replace every part in the transmission just to take away the risk factor. Okay, you might not even need a pump, but they're going to write up pump just to take away the risk factor, and that's understandable. Okay, but I think, to me, my opinion, at the end of the day, unless you need something simple like a solenoid pack, you see that pack right there with the orange tape on it? Unless you need things simple like that, solenoid pack, this one even have speed sensors on it. Y'all see how all this stuff we used to replace back in the day. Unless you need a little simple stuff like that, you have internal trans problem. It is extremely smart to just go in with a brand new Chrysler Reman transmission. 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty, people. You cannot beat that. That is an extremely good deal. 100,000 mile warranty. Let me say that again. 3 years. Okay, so if you plan on keeping the car or van another 5 years, it's worth it. Now, at that point, when you get it, just keep up with your regular maintenance. I think 60,000 miles a time you should do a service on it. Just do that, and this transmission should last you the rest of the life of the car. So factor this information into your decision-making process. Repair, which could be a couple $1,000, $3,000, depends on the shop, or replace, which could be a couple $1,000 or $3,000, depending on the shop. But at any rate, let it be a Chrysler Reman transmission. Okay, that way you'll have a peace of mind knowing you covered. All right, because have I replaced one that I replaced before? Absolutely, man. These things are built by man, made by man, and things gonna come apart, even if it's brand new. I had one lady, I replaced her transmission again. Now, granted, it was 2.5 years later. It doesn't matter. She's still covered. All right, I don't want this video to be long, but I just need y'all to know this information. Again, this is off of 07. Has to be, because this is a 4-speed transmission. I mean, we are so done with 4 speeds. We're up to 10 speeds now. And some of our Charger, you see this Challenger behind me in the air? That thing has an 8-speed automatic transmission in it. Okay, so 4-speed is old technology. We're done with that. We're now up to 8, 9, 10-speed transmission. So I just need y'all to know that. For you older model minivan owners, you older model Chrysler owners. All right, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.